Hey guys, happy Monday. I have a few vlogs that I need to upload. I've just been, I'm in the process of moving still, yes. But I'm at Macy's. My son, had to come and get something here at the Brea Mall in California. And look what I came upon. Oh my God, you guys. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I don't know if they have any type of percentage off. They normally do. But this one is $12. This is so cute. Like a gingerbread tree on top of a cupcake. Look at this one, guys. This is so cute. I got $14 for that one. And they have like ice cream pops. That's $16. Oh my God, that's more than the... This is cute. It's glass. Oh, yeah. $14. And look at the candy sticks. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. $18. Yeah, $18. This is so cute though. I love this. They have a cannoli. Cute. 14. They have a macaron tower. 22. Let me see. $22. Oh my God, and look at these. Let me see. These are cute. $12. I can't believe the macaron it is $22. It's kind of pricey. Oh Lord. Oh my God, look at more. And get the cupcakes. I want a candy tree too. $14. Look at this. Looky. Oh my gosh, 22 bucks. Oh, but it has a year. That is cute. But 22 bucks. Look at all the pickies up there. Oh, look at that angel. Oh, the angel is $6. That's beautiful. I'm all into angels too because my mom liked angels. Look at the cake on the stand. $22. A float. Cute. Oh, it reminds me of Friends. 14 bucks. How cute though. Look at these. $8 for the poinsettia. My mom liked reindeers too. So did my brother. $8. Look at the bells. That's so cute, guys. Right here it's 50% off, but I don't know if it's just these. These are $18 for this one. $16 for the bow. And for the angel wings, $36. So half off of that. And then they have a cardinal bird. Maybe they are all 50% off because, let me see. I don't know that. Because these are 50% off. And these are 50% off. Look at what I found, guys. And these are 50% off. Let me see. And these purplicious ones, psychedelic, are 50% off. So let's see. God, look get. Oh, and the Papadoos. No. Oh my God! Look at the gingerbread man. Oh my God! Look at that. Oh my God! $72. So that 50 doesn't help very much with that. Let me see. Well, look at what I found. Oh, look at from Mr. Christmas. Ooh, I'm backing up into something. Nostalgic tree mug set. This is $35, $50 off that. And they also have, oh my God, this is $60 by Mr. Christmas. But look at these gingerbreads. I'm so clumsy, guys. Oh my God, this is $68. So it comes out to what? 30 bucks? 30 something? 32 bucks? It lights up. Hello? Is anybody home? I want me a gingerbread. Hi guys, don't mind me. It's been one of those months, past months. Oh, look at the Sandy candle holder. Oh, the little. Oh, cute. $50, so that's $25. And they have a 3-foot starlight LED tree. Oh, and they have the Santa climbing, the one that goes up and down. Wow, $208. Come on, Macy's. Jeez Louise. This is 24. 70 bucks for this 24-inch LED tree. So it comes out to 35. So they have a 24-inch, 5-foot, and 6-foot. I don't know how much. Let me see. Okay, the 5-foot is $140, half off for that. $100 for the 3-foot, and half off of that, so $50. I don't know, but this $280. Excuse me. I don't know about that. That's something else. Whoa, keep up on me. This thing's rosy. Look at how cute. I'm just gonna briefly go by all these guys. I'm gonna have the snowflakey tree toppers. Look at these. Look at the penguins. The big penguin with the little penguin. $34, 50% off. We have a polar bear hanger. That's a door hanger. Or a wreath. $15. Look at these. Look at. Oh my God, look at how pretty. This is the church. These are for all you pink people. It's the big stuff. Whatever you think you want, it's the big stuff. They have the vintage boxes. $30. I cannot believe that. Even with that, so that's $15. They have the mini. $20, so $10. $18, so $9. And then they have the Santa string lights. Don't know how much this is. Let's see what this is. They have a Hallmark Jack Skellington. $12.99, so half of that. $6.50. Look at these. Let me see. These are cute. Oh, these are cute. 32. So half off of that, and have little mini radios. Those are 30. These are 32. Wow. And these 15, so $7.50. Oh, wait. And the vintage. Oh, look at. How much are these? $35 for these. That is cute. Look at it with the can. That's cute.
David?